How to make soft batch peanut butter cookies. Start with some butter. Add peanut butter. Mix those all together till smooth. Let's sweeten things up. Add some sugar, then some brown sugar. Mix it up again. Here's a little secret. Add some vanilla, crack an egg. Let's go next level. Baking soda, baking powder. How about some salt and flour? Give it a good mix. Don't be greedy, bring that cookie dough back. Let's scoop it out on a cooking sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it going. Put your oven to work. Set it at 350. Bake it for 12 minutes. Bam! You could forget the soy and the almond. It is time for some real milk. Thanks for watching.